Hi guys, how are you? We are back with another helpful tutorial for you. In this video, I will tell you how to set up confession bot on your Discord. So go ahead and go to your Chrome browser and search for TopGG. Here is the official site of TopGG and you can search here confession bot or simply confession. If you search, you will go to this page and here there are so many bots. So click on first one and it will redirect you to your Discord. After this, select your channel or select your server and authorize all of these settings. After this, authorizing all of these settings, your bot will be connected to Discord. You can see here, and now it's time to add some of confessions in this. So here's are different hashtags that you can use: welcome, level check, play, green boot, lona boot, and you can also review your channel in this section. So for this section you have to check your channel review, and by this video you can add all of setup in your Discord. Thanks for watching my video.